Auth0 Token Vault is excellent at one thing: securely getting AI agents the tokens they need to call third-party APIs. But what happens after the token is handed off? Auth0 logs the exchange, and then the token enters a black box. The agent could call any endpoint, take any action, and nobody can see it. 82% of companies report AI agents acting outside expected boundaries. AgenLens fixes that. So let's get started. Let's sign in. Continue with your Google account. Select your Google account and continue. And now we're on the AgenLens main dashboard. This dashboard is a user-facing portal that Auth0 doesn't provide. There is a dashboard overview, the live activity page, delegation chain, stats bar, and agent permissions card are all visible at once. On the agent's management page, we can see how every sub-agent's permissions are visible in plain English. The calendar agent has read-only by default, the email agent can search but needs my approval to send, the GitHub agent can read repos but needs my approval to create issues. Behind the scenes, every connection is managed by Auth0 Token Vault. Google and GitHub are linked, but each sub-agent gets its own narrowly scoped token. The calendar agent literally cannot read my emails, even though they share the same Google connection. This is called per-agent scoping, which Token Vault doesn't natively support, so we built it at the proxy layer. Let me show you what an agent task looks like. I'll ask the supervisor agent to find my recent emails. This agent decomposes the request and delegates it to the email sub-agent, and the sub-agent's API call is routed through the proxy. Every endpoint hit is being logged in real time. And here's the result, real Gmail data. But more importantly, I can trace exactly what the agent did. Every API call, every response status, every scope used. This is the post-token exchange visibility that didn't exist before. Now let me try something more dangerous, like writing an email. The proxy intercepts it before the API call is forwarded, and instead of executing, it pauses and asks me for an explicit in-context approval. This is task-level consent, not app-level consent. I'm not authorizing an app send email someday. I'm authorizing this specific email right now in the same window I'm working in. Email is sent. But what if I never wanted the agent to be able to send the email, even with my approval? I can write a policy. I'll use a preset to block the email agent from sending. The policy lives in the proxy layer. Now I'll try sending another email. The proxy evaluates the policy before forwarding the request and blocks it. The agent gets a denial. The user is in control the whole time. Everything that happens flows into analytics, activity over time, agent distribution, policy results, response times, and top services. All from the proxy data, all in real time. AgenLens is built on LangGraph orchestration, Auth0 Token Vault for credentials, and a custom proxy for observability and policy enforcement. The pattern works without any framework like QAI, AutoGen, or anything. Wherever multi-agent systems access external APIs, the visibility gap exists, and the proxy layer fills it in. AgenLens, see, scope, and control what your agents do. Thanks for listening.